Hi everybody, welcome to Machine Blog.
The Petzolato PTH 1400 1000 HACKERTRUCK stands tall among heavy-duty industrial chipper machines, boasting a robust construction and exceptional performance tailored for demanding wood processing tasks. At its core lies a drum chipper with a substantial diameter of 1000 millimeters, 3 feet 3.37 inches, and a wide feeding mouth spanning 1400 millimeters, 4 feet 7.12 inches, facilitating efficient processing of large volumes of wood material. With a remarkable capacity to churn out over 300 cubic meters of chips per hour, the HACKERTRUCK ensures high throughput, making it a formidable asset in industrial wood processing operations. Its integration onto trucks with 3 or 4 axles enhances mobility without compromising on power and performance. This amalgamation of power and maneuverability sets the HACKERTRUCK series apart, catering to the diverse needs of wood processing industries. One distinctive feature of the HACKERTRUCK chippers is their adaptable drive system, capable of utilizing the truck's engine, thus eliminating the need for an auxiliary power source. This not only lightens the load on the vehicle, but also enhances maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for navigating various work sites swiftly. Customizability is a hallmark of Petzolato industrial chippers, and the HACKERTRUCK series is no exception. With a plethora of settings available, these chippers can be fine-tuned to suit different working conditions, earning favor among large contractors who operate across multiple sites and require versatile equipment that can keep up with their dynamic needs. Central to the performance of Petzolato chippers is their solid drum, renowned for its reliability, wear resistance, and minimal maintenance requirements. Engineered to produce high-quality wood chips of varying sizes, the solid drum employs a staggered section design to evenly distribute the machine's workload, thereby mitigating vibrations, reducing noise levels, and optimizing fuel efficiency. The precision of the blade's sharp cut, coupled with the inertia of the large drum, minimizes strain on the machine, affirming the ruggedness and durability synonymous with Petzolato industrial chippers. This robust construction not only enhances the longevity of the machine, but also ensures consistent performance even under strenuous operating conditions. Petzolato PTH 1400 1000 HACKERTRUCK epitomizes excellence in heavy-duty wood processing machinery, offering unparalleled performance, versatility, and reliability. From its high-throughput capabilities to its innovative design features, this chipper is poised to meet the evolving needs of the wood processing industry, empowering operators to tackle demanding tasks with ease and efficiency.
The Hack HEM 10 to 500K wood chipper is a robust and efficient machine designed for high-performance wood chipping operations. Its operating process revolves around several key components, ensuring smooth operation, superior chip quality, and ease of maintenance. At the heart of the chipper lies the drum, boasting a diameter of 495 millimeters and featuring quick exchangeable blades. This design facilitates efficient chipping while allowing for easy maintenance and blade replacement as needed. The evenly distributed quick-change knives on the rotor ensure quiet operation and minimize strain on the chipper, enhancing its longevity. The chipper is equipped with a sieve featuring a standard mesh size of 45/60ths of a millimeter, complemented by stop bars. This configuration ensures perfect chip quality by effectively filtering out unwanted debris and ensuring uniform chip size. Additionally, special sieves further enhance chip quality, resulting in a consistent output. To prevent overload and optimize performance, the chipper features a no-stress system. This system dynamically adjusts the chipper's operation to match the workload, preventing strain on both the tractor and the machine. Combined with a self-sufficient hydraulic system, the chipper delivers powerful performance while minimizing fuel consumption. Efficient wood feeding is facilitated by a powerful infeed mechanism comprising an infeed chain and large infeed roller, both hydraulically driven. This setup ensures a steady supply of material to the chipper, maximizing productivity. Optionally, a chain bed can be installed on the input table to further enhance wood feeding efficiency. The chipper's ejector is hydraulically foldable, height adjustable, and rotatable, offering versatility in chip discharge. With an ejecting height ranging from approximately 3.35 meters to 4.79 meters, depending on chassis and tires, the chipper can accommodate varying operational requirements. Moreover, the hydraulic ejector flap adjustment allows for precise control over chip discharge direction.
The PTH 1200 to 820M drum wood chipper, powered by the robust Scania DC 13470 HP engine. This formidable machine stands out with its exceptional performance, reliability, and efficiency, making it a leader in its category. At the heart of the PTH 1200 to 820M chipper lies the autonomous Scania District of Columbia 13 engine, boasting a formidable power of 470 HP. This powerhouse enables the chipper to effortlessly tackle wood with a maximum chipping diameter of 560 millimeters and an impressive maximum inlet passage of 1,200 by 600 millimeters. With an hourly production throughput ranging between 110 to 130 cubic meters, this machine ensures optimal efficiency in wood chipping operations. The design of the chipper's drum is engineered for optimal performance, featuring a diameter of 820 millimeters and a width of 1,200 millimeters. The feeding chain, with a width matching the drum at 1,200 millimeters and a length of 1,630 millimeters, ensures a seamless and continuous feeding process. The spacious hopper, measuring 2,100 millimeters in width, facilitates easy loading of wood material, enhancing operational efficiency. Pezzolato takes pride in manufacturing its green line chippers entirely in Italy at the Envy factory, leveraging decades of experience, innovation, and expertise. These chippers have established themselves as leaders in the industry, offering unmatched performance, reliability, power, and long-term return on investment. The company's commitment to excellence extends to its international clientele, where Petzolato machines are gaining recognition for their ingenuity and quality. One of the key attributes contributing to Petzolato's success is its dedication to customer satisfaction. The company provides prompt and effective technical assistance services, ensuring uninterrupted operations and peace of mind for its customers. This commitment to customer support has earned Petzolato a reputation for reliability and trustworthiness in the industry. Petzolato's industrial chippers play a crucial role in the production of homogeneous and calibrated wood chips, ideal for feeding large-scale cogeneration plants, gasification plants, and medium-sized heaters. These wood chips serve as a sustainable and efficient fuel source for generating electricity and heat, contributing to the transition towards cleaner energy solutions. Petzolato's PTH 1200 to 820M drum wood chipper, powered by the Scania DC 13470 HP engine, exemplifies excellence in performance, reliability, and efficiency. With its superior design, advanced features, and unparalleled customer support, Petzolato reaffirms its position as a leader in the industry, driving innovation and sustainability in biomass production and wood chipping.
The 6 HP GTE is a medium-sized harvester that can be described as stable and fuel-saving. It is a fast, agile, and strong machine designed for smaller thinning operations and medium-sized clear fells. In such conditions, it has the optimal productivity and the best economy. Eighth wheels for better performance. The 6 HP GTE is a stable machine, which brings the operator comfort to a new level. The 8 wheels provide the machine an outstanding performance on all terrains, excellent tractive power and stability in steep slopes, and flotation for soft ground conditions. In short, when you mount tracks all around, you can work where you couldn't go before. High power, low consumption with the fuel-efficient 6-cylinder 7.4L diesel engine, the 6 HP GTE has enough power and torque to push the 190cc hydraulic pump. Due to the successful combination of the engine size, hydraulics, and the new log-set Tok Maryland 2, the engine is not strained, and the operator notices this clearly in the low fuel consumption. Everything for user experience. Your machine is as good as it feels. Our cabin has good reputation with great visibility, lots of space, and low noise levels. Controls can be configured to suit every driver's needs. Talk MD2 keeps you on track with all necessary information. Good balance, great flotation, enough power for multiple simultaneous tasks. All simple, basic things for the pilot to succeed all day long. And we know the day can be really long. Advanced technology log set forest harvesters are a phenomenal example of modern technology. Heavy-duty steel combined with 150,000, 200,000 rows of code, plus the latest electrical and hydraulic innovations. Everything is made for maximum production with reasonable amount of driver effort, all in a robust steel shell that is built to last and produce.